Verona Pharma is focused on respiratory diseases, with the key indication being chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, which is a massive prevalence around the world, so 30 million in the US, 70 million in China, and there's a real need for new therapies, and ensifentrine, our lead drug, is focused in that area. We are currently completing the phase 2b studies, where we're testing a variety of doses. And depending on the results of that study, which should be available early next year, we will then meet with the FDA and we will decide exactly how we want to run the phase 3 studies, which should start towards the end of next year. The most important market for Verona Pharma in the short term is the US market. There we're focused on taking the nebulized formulation of our drug to market. We're preparing to do that ourselves, although we may later partner it. We're also looking at the Chinese market, which has massive potential, and thinking about ways that we might be able to access that market. So we'll probably start clinical trials in China sometime relatively soon as well. At the moment we have about $50 million in the bank, which is fine for now, but we will need to raise further money to start the phase 3 trials. And we're looking at a variety of ways of doing that, both with normal capital raises as well as non-dilutive capital through companies such as Avillion or Nuvolution, for example. I think the most important catalyst will be the results of the phase 2b trial that's currently ongoing. That's with 400 patients. That should report early in the new year. And we will then have a number of other trials that report, one with the metered-dose inhaler that should come through over the first half. Then our meeting with the FDA to define the phase 3 program. Those are probably the most important ones in the next 6 to 9 months.